I was born in Nepal, near the mountains of Hiunchuli Patan, an extremely cold region of India, but blessed by one of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. A miscalculation had sown me in a place not suitable for a being like me. I was on the banks of a road, dying of cold, when a girl who was crying and passing through that place came to my rescue. Immediately, he knew that I was not a tree of that region. When he saw how I was burning from the cold, he covered me with a wool blanket, and with a twig, he began to remove all the land that was around me, until he managed to tear me out with everything and roots. He ran to his house and created a greenhouse specially prepared for me. While he took care of me, I cried. I never knew why. She watered me and fed me until I grew up. She always talked to me, although she couldn't hear me. But then, one day, she had a dream in which a child slept peacefully on the branches of a raspberry and understood that the time had come to say goodbye. She had to let me go, and she suffered, and then she heard my voice. Now you can understand why I like the Weeping Woman so much. It reminds me of Greta,